5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2. We prep. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go overhead on 1. 1. I'm going to hook on 2. Start turning 2. Switch it to my right hand. Go overhead again. 3. I'm going to grab the left hand and bottom. Do a right turn. 5, 6. I'm already going to get to the other side of the slide on 7. So on 1, I'm going to be leading her forward with the left hand. 1. I'm off the slide. Now I'm going to keep the hand low. Let go of the left. The right arm is going to push through the neck. 2. I start following her. 3. So now I walk with her on 5. Get behind her. 6, 7. Start unwinding the left hand. So now on 1, 2, 3, I'm going to give her a right turn. 1. The back of my right hand is going to turn her as I step back. 2. Now I'm going to step under. 3. Now this right hand is going to catch hers. 5. So now my right hand is going to go to my left shoulder. 6. It's going to drop it. Left arm goes over my head. Catch the right hand here. 7. So now on 1, we're going to go back to back. So guys, pike, ladies, quick right. 1. We're going to step. 2. Let go of the right hand. Turn with the left. 3. We're going to drape with the left. 5. Catching the right. We're going to make sure the shoulder gets out of the way. We do another right turn as we flick the left hand. 6. Guys, get out of the way. 7. So now I'm going to give her 2 steps forward. 1. Connect the left hand. Bring the right hand over. 2. So now I'm going to bring it to turn her. 3. I'm going to prep her. 5, 6, 7. Triple turn with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3. To a prep. 5, 6, 7. Double right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a 1.5 right. Forward on 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a quick right as soon as you step turn. 1, 2. One more turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. Now walk through 1.5 left. So we're going to go forward on 1, 2. Turn 3, 5. Prep on 6, 7. Now we're going to do 2.5 turns to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.